Are off to a very warm start, currently sitting in the low 60s from Towson down towards Davidsonville. Eastern Shore also talking temperatures in the low 60s. Chestertown is 61. We're at 63 right now in Preston, so definitely a warm start to the new year. Visibility has been low in some locations, but starting to see things improve. Frederick now up to 5-mile visibility, so that's definitely some good news. They earlier on had visibility below a mile, so definitely improving in that aspect. And as we head across the area, things not looking all that bad. We do have a fair amount of clouds still in place, and a few areas still reporting a few sprinkles here and there, but overall improvement going to be the big trend for us here today. Wind advisories are still in effect for sections of the Eastern Shore from Cecil County southward. All these areas here shaded in tan. They continue until noon today. We could have gusts upwards of 20 to 30 miles per hour, so something to watch out for as you do head out and about. We are watching this cold front off to our west, already starting to move into sections of western Maryland. This is going to allow our temperatures to tumble as the day continues. So numbers right now, while they're warm, this is the warmest part of the day. As we get towards this afternoon, we'll start to see numbers fall off into the low 50s and some into the 40s. So Futurecast not depicting a whole lot for us here today. Do have a fair amount of clouds this morning, but into this afternoon things clear out and we get some sunshine in here. We're looking pretty nice as we head through the afternoon time period. Into Wednesday, still seeing a fair amount of sunshine, though more clouds going to be advancing, and that's out ahead of our next system arriving late in the week. Today, temperatures, as mentioned, warm to start, 59 degrees. We've already accomplished that at BWI. Temperatures going to fall through the rest of the day today. Partly sunny skies and windy conditions going to persist. As we head towards the noon time period, you'll notice the temperature is starting to fall off into the low 50s, and by 5 p.m. a lot of locations in the 40s and low 50s. So something to keep in mind. You know, normally the afternoon is the warmest time of day. That's not the case for us here today. So you may need to have the layers on standby, as you will need them later on today. Temperatures furtherly tumbling as we head towards the middle of the week. We're 44 on Wednesday with sunshine. Thursday, clouds going to be with us as showers arrive late in the day, and wet conditions going to be around Friday and Saturday. So wet weather gear going to be needed yet again as we head towards the end of the week and into the first weekend of 2019. Megan?